Close your eyes for a second and picture a hidden spring in a moonlit cave. Warm water, soft light, a secret that only a few have found. That old picture is what people whisper about when they talk about female ejaculation, or as some call it, the fountain. It sounds like legend, but it is real for many women. And not magic, just the body doing a surprising thing. And mind, breath, muscles, and touch line up. I teach this, and I love telling the story. Once at a small workshop, a woman raised her hand and said, "Is it true? Can I learn it?" We laughed, then we practiced slow breath and gentle exploration. And months later, she wrote to say she found her fountain. Not because of a trick, but because she learned her body like a map. That map is what I want to give you tonight. Simple, safe, and in a way that makes you want to try and learn. First, understand variety. Not every woman will ejaculate, and that is normal. For those who do, the liquid likely comes from the Skene's glands on the front wall inside the vagina. The area often called the G-spot. But more important than names is curiosity. Encourage your partner to guide you. Ask questions. Listen to breath, to sounds, to more and less. Consent and comfort are the first rule. How to develop her erogenous sounds like a patient explorer. Start with communication and solo practice. Ask her to touch herself while you listen. No pressure, just curiosity. Have her describe what feels electric and what feels dull. Use a soft touch, then firmer, a slow circle, a quick stroke. Warm and cool sensations. Take notes in your head. Erogenous spots are not just genital. Ears, neck, inner thighs, lower belly, and the whole perineal area respond to attention. Use touch variety. Feather light, full palm, rhythmic tapping.
Combine touch with slow,
deep breath. Breath amplifies everything. When she exhales on a long sigh, it lets tension go and sensation rise. Pelvic floor training is a secret weapon. Strong, awake pelvic muscles make orgasms fuller and can help with both coregasm and female ejaculation. Teach her basic Kegels as if she were stopping and starting a small stream. Do them together. 10 slow squeezes, 10 quick pulses. Add bridges and gentle core work to the routine. The Gingasm urban legend. People whisper about women surprising themselves during squats or planks has a grain of truth. When the pelvic floor and core get involved, strange and wonderful sensations can arise. Don't treat the gym like a secret lab, but be curious and playful in private training. Coregasm is its own method. It is when deliberate core work, Pilates, intense contraction, leg lifts, heavy breathing triggers an orgasm. For some women, the direct path to release is through muscle engagement rather than direct clitoral or vaginal stimulation. Try short sessions of focused core move, paired with slow breathing and pelvic floor awareness. Again, communicate, stop if she wants, and keep it gentle at first. Now the playful part, mix science with legend. There's an old story about priestesses who used rhythmic drumming, warm oils, and breath to find the fountain. You can borrow that drama. Dim the lights, use a warm cloth, anoint the lower belly with oil, play soft percussion beats with your fingertips on the hip. Keep rhythm steady, not run. Rhythm tells the nervous system it is safe. At temperature play, a cool glass followed by warm hands to wake up nerve. When you aim for female ejaculation, be patient. Two things help: deep relaxation and letting go of performance. Pressure kills it. Laugh together if it feels odd. Use towels and good humor. For many couples, the most powerful work happens in bed, but for others, it is an exercise session, a shower play, or a slow evening of breath and vowel. One final truth from years of teaching. Curiosity beats technique. Be present. Praise your discovery. Keep learning like explorers mapping a coastline. Gentle markers, shared language, and a little sense of wonder. Tonight, try a short experiment. 20 minutes of talk, 5 minutes of solo mapping, 10 minutes of shared breath and pelvic work, and a slow attentive touch. No expectation, only discovery. If the legend wants to show itself, it will. If not, you will still have built intimacy, power, and a new map of pleasure together.